Genius Wefts are the newest semi-permanent hair extension design that can be cut directly anywhere on the seam without the weft unraveling, giving you the freedom to customize every sew-in hair transformation. Genius Wefts are easy to conceal and provide the ability to stack up to 8 wefts on one row to achieve ultimate volume. Made with high-quality, 100% Remy European human hair, this 36-inch weft is uncut, making the width completely customizable with less wasted hair. Each half pack contains one bundle with 60 grams of hair in total. No tape, glue, heat, or tension is applied to your hair for application. Easily add fullness and length, all while blending seamlessly for gorgeous, natural results.